Hello, Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a client's home, just a little bit of a sneak peek. We did some accessorizing, so stay tuned. While watching this video, you might recognize a room. If you've seen my video on decorating a dining room, this is the same house. This is probably one of my very favorite houses. It's just stunning. It's a lovely couple, and they have been so gracious to let me share some video with you. This decorating day was all about accessorizing. They had some large shelves in their living room, so I accessorized those. A few things in the kitchen. I accessorized a few things in the guest rooms, but my favorite thing was they had a really long and tall wall that went from their hearth room to their laundry room. And so we wanted to kind of figure out a different way rather than just one large picture or a collage of family pictures. She happened to have purchased these two unique baskets, not knowing what she was going to do with them. So I said, let me have them. I think I've got an idea. You're also going to see a few of my custom florals. So without further ado, let me show you this beautiful home. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know that accessorizing can be one of the most difficult things to do. In my next video, I'm going to share with you the art of accessorizing, and I'm going to give you some of my best tips. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that bell because it's going to tell you when I have a new video out. Have a great day.